All right, today's lunch, rapini, or broccoli rabe, and if you follow me on a regular basis, you're probably saying to yourself, oh no, John, not again. How many of these are you going to do? Well, it's still in season. It's getting close to October, and then after that, we won't get it anymore. So as long as it's here, I'm going to make it. But anyway, today is going to be broccoli rabe or rapini and scrambled eggs. So I'm just going to use half of the bunch, and that'll be plenty enough for probably 2 sandwiches. And then all I'm going to do is make it with scrambled eggs. So olive oil, a little bit, not a whole lot. And then garlic. All right, so before I heat up the oil and put in the garlic, I'm going to peel the rapini. And if you watch me on a regular basis, you already know how to do this. But in case you've never seen me in a video before, I always peel broccoli, rapini, asparagus, things like that. So let me just show you real quick. Cut the end off and then just peel it down. And the ends that come off, you don't waste. So you just peel, peeling that skin. And that way you don't end up with a bunch of strings. And it really does make a huge, see that? That's all good because I peeled it. And it really does make a big difference. All right, so in goes the garlic. Let that heat for a minute. All right, the garlic is starting to sizzle. So in goes the broccoli rabe. I'm just going to sweat this down for a couple of minutes until it's tender. So far all that's in there is olive oil, a little bit of garlic, and the rapini. So we need a little bit of salt. And then of course, some crushed red pepper. And I think that's it. This cooks down pretty quick. Don't keep the heat up too high because if you already got your garlic in there, you don't want to burn it. I got, that's done. I'm going to put 3 eggs. Because that'll be enough for probably 2 sandwiches for me for lunch. And I'm only having this on white bread. I'm not even going to toast it. So kick up the heat a little bit. And get it mixed. Use the bellow part of the fork. You don't want to use a metal fork in a non-stick pan like that. If it's a good polished fork, this part ain't going to hurt nothing because it's really soft. But if you do that, you're going to damage your pan. So you do that for a minute, kind of like you're doing a French omelet or a French style scrambled egg. And then just let it set for a second, and then we'll flip it. All right, let's see how this goes. One little piece hit the floor, but not bad. All right, there it is. See how it's more like a Western omelet? See, and that's enough for plenty enough for 2 sandwiches. Then I got a little bit of Parmesan cheese here. So there is that. Here we go. Let me get a towel. Got one here, a fresh towel right there. Hot. If you've made any dishes, following my videos with Rapini or Broccoli Rabe, so you know how it tastes, this right here tastes exactly the way you think in your mind how this is going to taste. Tastes like Rapini and eggs. It's great. It's fat. This video, I'll edit a little bit, but it'll almost be in real time. Way fast, super easy, and just a great lunch. Anything with eggs is great, but especially things like this. Give it a try.